What's going on? Y'all see I'm back with another video. So look. To my new subscribers, if you don't know, I built that 83 Z28 Camaro. If it's so, with that being said, I'm gonna show y'all how I look, so bear with me. This is where she at. Excuse these, I'm fixing this today. I mean, this ain't nothing but the wires that go to the heater and stuff for the inside. But as y'all see, she is indeed done. She been done for a long time. I just had to source out a transmission that I couldn't find forever. I really got lucky because I was going to my guy. He basically specialized in third gens, and he ended up increasing his inventory. And I just so happened to ask him about the transmission, and he had one for the low. Got the transmission, bought a rebuild kit, and the car is done. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna show too much because I want to keep it as a surprise. So this is a up-to-date video. I done fixed everything. Now I will indeed give y'all a crank video just because. Okay, got my key out my lock. She do crank up on the dime, so it's none of all the other stuff as it used to be. I got everything fixed. Gotta step back so y'all can hear me. So I actually have 4 fans on this car because I couldn't afford the other fans. They wanted a little too much, so I just bought 2 more of the same fans that I got on there, and the cooling is phenomenal. So 1, 2. Gotta step back so y'all can hear me. So the relay system I got it on, I was actually able to wire those in parallel. So I got the left side wired to the left relay and the right side wired to the right. Now the amps on it is low. I got a 240 amp relay, so that's 80 amps in all. Of course, the left side share 140 amp and the other side share the other 40 amp. And I don't even think it's touching even 20 amps for each relay, so I'm perfectly good. Oh yeah, I might as well show you. I got them dubs on there, you know what I mean? So what I will do for you guys, I'll let it warm up and I'll rev it so y'all can hear what it sounds like.
I love you.
Yeah, 45 PSI. All right, so now we good. We at 190. I hope the camera pick up how loud it actually is. So I'm gonna rev that bad boy. I'm actually only revving it from this idle, which is like 900, 8 to 900 idle, to like 3,500 to 4,200. It's not even like rev that high. It revs to 7,000, but it's actually loud at that. So let's see. Y'all, I'ma get back with y'all. I'ma have to enjoy this a little bit. I'ma have to finish this up real fast, and I'ma get back with y'all. I'ma let it run while I do it because it got to run just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Just do my little thing. But yeah.